which chariot is the best? First, how many chariots we know? How many types of chariots we know? Each living being who has a body has a chariot. This chariot or Ratha has couple of meanings. Ratha means chariot, Ratha means movement. Ratha means pleasure, Ratha means delight. Another etymological meaning of Ratha, Ramyate anena atra Ratha. Ramyate anena atra Ratha means that which gets pleasure and delight or play, enjoyment in all these ways. These are the different meanings of Ratha. Now, I told you each living body is a chariot. So the tiger chariot, the elephant chariot, the snake chariot, the mosquito chariot, the human chariot. Now among all different species, which chariot is the best? Human body. Among all living beings, why we consider ourselves as the best? Because we have intellect, discriminative intellect. We have the ability to help ourselves individually, personally, and to help others. God created human beings so that the human being will be an active partner in God's creation, who will realize God's glory, who will manifest God's love. Sometimes they ask, why? Why did God create? People ask, why did God create? God created why? Why this creation? Why? To bring us misery in our life. He created anandati khalu imani bhutani jayante. It is for ananda. Ananda means bliss. We are born of bliss. Anandena khalu jatani jivanti. We should live in bliss. We should. If we are not living in bliss, there is some mistake, some trouble. We should rectify it. And sadhana is to rectify our own mistake. Why I am not able to live in bliss? Suppose somebody said, Swamiji, I love to be in your company, but I don't like when you become too strong or scold me. I said, then you are contradicting yourself. If you love to be in the company, be ready to hear both. Be ready to hear scriptures and some nice words. Sometimes be ready to hear scolding also. Okay? No, I like to hear good, sweet words, not scolding. Okay, then you are sick. If you are not sick, then you will not tell, I like this, I don't like that. If you like to be in the company of the teacher, be ready to be chastised if there is any little mistake. If the teacher is flattering and praising, not pointing out the mistake of the student, the teacher is not a teacher and the student is not a student. The teacher should accept his authority to point out the mistake. Where is the mistake? I will tell without any compromise. The student should be ready when there is mistakes pointed out. Do you know there are 3 categories of students? Before the teacher tells, the student should recognize, I did a mistake. I'll tell, I committed a mistake. Excuse me, I'll not repeat it. Before the teacher points out. And when the teacher is pointing out some mistake, if the student is becoming sad or emotional, then we have not cultivated the studentship in us. It should be a joy. Oh God, it was not able to find that this is my mistake. Now I could see, because it is such a grace of my teacher, he pointed it out. It is through his grace he pointed it out. And the 3rd category of student, repeated pointing out. Kutastham achalam dhruvam. I am achala, no change. Whatever you try to do me, I am Mr. Charcoal, I will be always black. Whatever you try, I am Achala, you have told. Divinity, Achala, no change, no move. So I am no change. However, Rathottamam, first the human life, human body, this chariot is the best. Among all the chariots, that chariot is best where the chariot is used for adoring the divine. Among all human chariots, that chariot is the best. If that chariot is used, or that body or that life is used for adoring the divine, to knowing truth, for loving God. Now why? If that is the best chariot where one is adoring divinity, how long our body chariot, your body chariot, his body chariot, her body chariot, this body chariot, how long do we use remembering God, God's presence in this chariot? How long we forget, it becomes an ordinary chariot. It can be Ratha, it can be Rathottama. And to make it Rathottama, the best of the chariots, it is your responsibility to make your life devoted, dedicated for the goal, saturated with love, with devotion, with knowledge, with understanding, in balance. Then the chariot is the best of the chariots.